Why do you have a garbage bag? No, that can hurt you!
Is this real? No. Will this kill somebody?
Actually,
Your hair.
it'll work.
Your hair is awesome. I like your nose.
You put that over your face and scream as loud as you can so it happens.
No, don't die. Don't die.
No, do that again.
Laura, you're in a bag. You need help.
I'm feeling an alternative personality coming on.
And it's
Laura in a bag. No, come back closer. Closer, yeah. Oh. I'm feeling an alternative personality coming on.
Okay.
Laura in a bag. I tell the future.
What's Coda's future?
What? Coda's?
Yeah, the dog.
She's gonna live a long furry life.
Furry? So she's not gonna bald like old people? Coda, congratulations, you're gonna keep all your hair.